Wonderful good morning to all. I am Prakash, Assistant Professor of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. Now I am going to teach about what is relational model. Now I am going to tell why relational database model is used to organize data in rows and columns, making it easy to manage query by using structured query language. In RDBMS to enforce data integrity constraint, ensuring data remains inaccurate and consistent. In SQL provides powerful tools to query and manipulate data, allowing quick access and modification of large data set. Now I am going to tell about what is relational database. Relational database is a collection of tables having unique names. Now I am going to tell about what is relational model. A relational model represents how data is stored in relational database. For example, in a relational database, store data in the form of relation table. In consider a relation, students with attributes, roll number, name, address, phone and age. First row of the table is known as attributes. In the table, roll number, name, address, phone, age is an attribute. Attribute are the property that define a relation. Relational schema. A relational schema represents name of the relation with its attributes. Example, students roll number, name, address, phone and age in relation schema of the students. If a schema has more than one relation, it is called relational schema. Tuple. Each row in the relation is known as tuple. The above relation contains tuple. Relational instance. The set of tuple of a relation at a particular instance time is called relational instance. In table 1 shows the relational instance of student at a particular time. It can change whenever there is insertion, deletion or updation in the database. What is meant by degree? A degree is a number of attributes in the relation is known as degree of relation. The student relation is defined above as degree 5. In cardinality, the number of tuples in a relation is known as cardinality. The student relation defined above has cardinality. In table 1, there are 3 cardinality. Now I am going to tell about what is null value. The value which is not known or unavailable is called null value. It is represented by blank space. Constraint in relational model. While designing a relational model, we define some conditions which must hold data present in database called constraints. These constraints are checked before performing any operation, insertion, deletion and updation in database. If there is a violation in any constraints, operation will fail. Domain constraints. These are attributes of level constraints. An attribute can only take value which lie inside the domain range. If a constraint age less than 0 is applied on student relation, inserts a negative value of age, result is failure. Now I am going to tell about advantages of relational database. In RDBMS, enforce integrity constraints ensure data accuracy and consistency across tables. For example, in a hospital database, a patient information must be consistently linked to medical records, ensuring reliable access to accurate data. Powerful data querying capabilities. SQL providing a versatile way to query data, including complex joins, filtering and aggregation, allowing for flexible data retrieval. An e-commerce platform can retrieve customer orders and order detail efficiently, filtering by date, location or status. Data security and access control. In RDBMS, offer built-in security features like access control, ensuring data in only accessible authorized user. In banking system, access to security features like access control by restrict based on roles, ensuring sensitive data remains secure. RDBMS follows normalization principle, organize data to reduce duplication and improve data integrity. In a university database, student information is stored once, avoiding redundancy and linking student to multiple courses. Support for ACID properties. ACID properties means atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. Explanation. This property ensures reliable transaction processing where each transaction is completed entirely or not all, maintaining data consistency. In a stock trading application, transactions for buying and selling stocks are handled with ACID properties of compliance, ensuring accurate update even under a high load. Disadvantages of relational database. RDBMS can struggle with horizontal scaling across multiple servers, making them less efficient for large-scale distributed systems. In social media applications with billions of records, managing user data across multiple servers is challenging, often requiring a NoSQL database. Complexity with unstructured data. Relational databases are not optimized for unstructured data like documents, images, and multimedia, which do not fit neatly into table. For storing social media content like posts, commands, and images on RDBMS might not be efficient due to the data's diverse format and structures. Performance limitation with complex queries or large data. Complex joins and queries on large database can lead to slow performance if the system is not optimized. In a large retail database, querying product detail, customer order, and inventory at once can slow down response time during peak shopping seasons. Real-time example of relational database in database design and management. In banking system, why we use relational database in banking system? To store structured data related to account, customer, and transaction with a high accuracy and security. Advantages such as reliable transaction processing, secure access control, and accurate record keeping. Disadvantages: high setup and maintenance cost, limited flexibility when adding new data attribute or managing growing data value. In a hospital management system, to manage structured patient's record, appointment, billing, and doctor-patient relationship. For advantages such as enforced data consistency support, secure access, and provide reliable data retrieval. Disadvantages: requiring complex schema designed to accommodate growing data needs, making changes challenging without disruption. That's all about real-time examples of relational database. Thank you to one and all.